Here I have TCL Tab 10S, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off front camera mirroring effect on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then go to its settings. Firstly you have to switch to the front camera. Now, just for example, let's take one photo with the front camera. Then you go to settings, scroll down to the bottom, and here you can find an option mirror camera. So you just disable it, and now your pictures will look normal, just like this. So as you can see, this is like a normal photo. Wait, what? Why it doesn't work? Like right now I have this feature disabled, yeah. Let's try to enable it. And this photo is mirrored. Like, let's try to disable it. Now take a photo, and it's still mirrored. Nice. So at least I tried. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.